I don't know, but this doesn't feel right. That fucking hurt. Alright, we're at full throttle with Jake. We got one more race until the main course. How are you feeling?
One more until the endurance race?
Yeah.
I'm ready to go get stoned.
Alright, we'll see you guys.
I'm trying to fix it for you.
It might. Well, it's got such a wide angle.
Yeah, I can kind of see the screen, which is a little distracting.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm in 41. 41.
Boom.
Did you hear that thing start up? Go, 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 go.
Oh, brother.
Oh, brother.
Ha! Be careful coming through here. That's slick as shit.
Dude, it's a drift session right now.
Yeah, turning right's fucking a cakewalk in this thing, but turning left is a serious problem.
Dude, this is the second time my steering wheel feels like it's been loosened up.
What happened to your steering wheel? It feels...
It feels like somebody's used lotion on it. Like, I guess all these guys have loosened hands now.
Lotions? These gloves have been amazing, I'll tell you what. No brakes. That was no brakes. Oh, fuck. Do you see this hop? You want to go around or some shit?
Dude, this car's really responsive.
God damn, dude, the hop. Like I'm braking and I know I'm not supposed to because the cart won't let me fucking turn.
Dude, this thing just blows the tires off. Oh, that fucking hurts.
I feel like you have the same lead coming through corner one every single fucking time.
Yeah.
Like I'll fucking catch you right here, or to some extent. Oh shit. I feel like I'm not fastened in the seat. Something's crazy.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was a really good one, Jake.
Do you think leaning with the cart helps? I don't know, but this doesn't feel right.
That fucking hurt. Oh my god, that hurt so bad.
Yeah, the hopping is no joke.
Yeah, dude. I don't have that problem at all turning left.
No, it's weird. It is only right, isn't it?
Or turning left. Turning right. It's like that. Oh my god, I just blew through that corner. God damn. I just smashed the brakes right there. Fuck it. Oh my god. Yeah, there's something right through here that hurts.
Oh man.
Oh man. Brother.
Yeah. I knew that wasn't great.
Yeah, right.
I could feel that not being great.
Yeah. This Cam dude just came in here and ran a 23.741.
I ran into a dude who bought a 2011 690 or what the fucking BMW, the 600 adventure bike.
Oh, the F600.
It might have been a 650, it might have been a 700, but it was still a pretty big bike, and he was a short dude. He said he loved it, got no complaints on it. I was telling him I was about to get an 890 if he wanted to go take some rides. He's more than welcome to come.
Hell yeah.
You gonna go 41 again?
I don't care, that's fine. Joe Milburn, the owner of Climax Motorsports,
Yeah.
he just bought an 890.
Did he?
Yeah, I'm fucking jealous. It's got the blue tank and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna miss on the blue tank. I'd rather have the black, I think, or
Yeah.
orange.
It's definitely a preference. I've seen it in person and I've liked it more in person. So,
For sure. Black and orange are just my colors.
yeah. Yeah, I love that little 390. Like, just the way it looks and everything is phenomenal to me. Like, it took me a minute to warm up to the headlight though.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That thing
On all KTMs.
The front end of it's so ugly.
I mean, shit, the KTM RC8 is like the definition of ugly. That 1000, well, I guess it's an 800, but they have a 1000 that just looks exactly like it. The RC 1000 and 1000, whatever the fuck it is. I definitely feel safer in this cart. Like, I don't know if it's because of how close I'm sitting to the pedals and shit, but
I at least want heated grip, seated seat, and cruise control.
yeah, I mean, I can even do without the heated seat, but the grips for sure. Grips in the cruise control all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking to him about that yesterday. I was like, ideally, like, if you're using cruise control, do you still have your left hand on the other hand, on the left side of the handlebar, just to hold on to it, just to give you a right arm rest, or what? It's like, do you just take both hands off, or what's the goal of cruise control? Because I would run the shit over an armadillo and just fucking die. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
On 66 or something. I don't know if there's armadillos out there, but
I'll ride one all fucking road if I get the right shit, you know?
right?
The right riding gear and the fucking heated everything would be phenomenal. But
Yeah, I mean, I can even do without the GPS. I mean, I got that shit on my phone. I don't need it.
yeah, just have a direction. Be cool wherever we end up at.
The KTM 890 is definitely happening here. Fucking Dan Lindemann, the tax guy, was like, you don't need a truck, you just want to buy a truck. It's like, goddamn right. Like, what am I really supposed to do? Like, just not have a truck and have a fucking car? That's just lame. I already made a mistake just getting a car last time I bought a car. Instead of a fucking truck. Oh, God.
Fuck me. Fuck me hard. God, that hurt.
I feel a good time coming here. Was that a backfire? Do these cars backfire?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Right. Right. Come on, dude. Speed up.
I am actually sweating now.
Ow, fuck.
go. Here's the flag. One more.
Finish line, baby. That's it.
I got a time here.
That's it for the practice races. I guess you call them the fucking.
Nah, you get one more practice race. It's $10.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. Oh, you got to go around again?
Yeah.
Oh, no shit. Yeah, I feel good about that one, bub.
Yeah, that was quick, dude. That was a quick little run.
I think I might have got you beat this time.
Did you have me beat the last time? Thank you. Cheers.
Hey, you don't get to spread out when you finish up.
Damn, Mulkey with a 24.371. Look at you go, Bob.
I felt like that was good. So when I got to 10, I would slam my brakes and I would spin out like a little bit, right? I would get that ass end out,
Yeah.
and I would just hammer the brake, and I would just get a little fucking jolt of just straight acceleration. So I'm hitting go at the same time,
Yeah.
release the brake, and then you just fucking take off.
That car definitely wants you to drive, like, definitely wants you to break into the corners.
50, 54?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Because
yeah.
if you go flat out into it, just pushes the front end.
Can't
through.
turn. Yeah. Yeah, especially on that backside on 4.